Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow adding friends in Game Center on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Screen Time. Next, go down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now tap on Content Restrictions and put in the screen time passcode. Next, we go down to the Game Center section and tap on Adding Friends. In here you can select Allow or Don't Allow. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to Settings. Swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.